Are you tired of seeing the same modern designs everywhere and longing for a space that feels both timeless and unique? Today, we're diving into a design trend that's growing in popularity, blending natural beauty with vintage charm. This style creates spaces that are not only stunning, but also have a unique story to tell. By merging the raw beauty of nature with the nostalgic appeal of vintage elements, you can achieve a look that's both modern and timeless. Now, you might think combining natural and vintage elements means just throwing together old furniture and hoping it works. But the real magic happens when you find harmony between functionality and charm, letting each element complement the other. Some worry that natural materials will make a space feel too rustic, or that vintage pieces will look outdated. But with the right balance, these styles actually work beautifully together. A common misconception is that natural beauty and vintage charm can't coexist with modern design. But think about pairing a reclaimed wooden table with sleek, modern chairs. The blend of old and new brings a striking contrast that's visually appealing and unique. It's all about finding a balance that feels authentic to you. Blending natural and vintage styles takes creativity, experimentation, and a bit of patience. Natural beauty in design embraces raw, organic materials like reclaimed wood, stone, and plants to bring the outdoors in. Natural fibers like wool and jute add warmth and texture, while earth-inspired colors like greens, blues, and browns create a calming, organic palette. Done right, natural elements can add sophistication that synthetic materials simply can't match. Vintage charm, on the other hand, celebrates nostalgia. From antique furniture and bold textiles to intricate patterns and unique curiosities, vintage decor adds character that's hard to replicate. It creates a sense of history, a story woven into every piece. The personality and whimsy vintage elements bring can be the perfect counterpoint to more understated natural elements. One inspiring example of this fusion was a restored farmhouse I came across. Originally an old barn, the designer preserved its stone walls and wooden beams while updating the interior with reclaimed wood, antique furniture, and modern amenities. The result was a rustic yet refined home with an atmosphere that felt both timeless and inviting. Walking through the space, you could feel a blend of history and comfort, a perfect showcase of how these two styles can coexist beautifully. So, when it comes to blending natural beauty and vintage charm in your own home, Remember that it's about creating a space that tells a story. Embrace the authenticity of natural elements and the nostalgia of vintage pieces to create a look that's truly one of a kind. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And for more design inspiration, check out my video on this season's top interior design trends.